Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the minimal IceWM window manager. So earlier we had checked out the IceWM window manager, the ZZZ IceWM window manager and the ROX Ice window manager. So today will be the turn of minimal IceWM session or the window manager. Let us start. First thing, as usual, we'll have to change the resolution. Okay. Now you might be wondering if the name of this session is minimal IceWM. So what will be the we can say output of this IceWM session, minimal IceWM session. So as the name suggests, minimal means minimum number. So there will be minimum number of applications, minimum number of features to make the IceWM session much lighter and much responsive, and to keep the things minimal. Many things will be many of the baggage will be disposed of. So to make the things very much responsive, ultra responsive, and this desktop can work on very old systems also. For example, your 10-year-old system, this desktop is going to work. So on the older hardware, this desktop is going to give excellent results. So as we see here, there is no conk key. So the conk keys have been discarded. So no conk key for this session. Further, if you check, you see some of the applications that have been removed here. Not many, few of them are not there. You can check this display of the applications with the display of applications in other IceWM sessions of AntiX. In accessories also you can see some of them have been removed. Fire gel has been kept here. Finder is there. So some of them are there, and ROX applications, no ROX application is there. Only the ZZZ FM file search is there. In graphics, everything is there. Nothing has been dropped off. In internet section also, most of the things are there. In multimedia, I think everything is there. They are not removed anything, discarded anything. In office section also, everything is there. In preferences, I think some of few preferences might not be there, but I think most of the things are there here. Then in programming, everything is there. In system, you can see here, most of the things are there. Maybe one or two things. Okay, so ROX is also there. So I thought ROX have been removed, but no, ROX is also there. Now let us check out the desktop, how much memory it is consuming. So here you can see just 179 MB of RAM is being used, and CPU usage is almost 0. So it's very negligible. So this is even more lighter than the other IceWM sessions like ROX, ZZZ and the standard IceWM session. Now let us try out the task manager also. So here in task manager you see just 184 to 187 MB of RAM usage is there and 0 CPU usage. So it is next to 0 CPU usage. So it is far more frugal and far more responsive to the user inputs, because you see CPU is almost sitting idle. Memory is available as much as you want. Conk key has been removed, and you can see the application load. So just a moment, I will again open the task manager. See application load or process load. There is almost no processes running. Just this 9 processes are only running. So there is no system is running almost empty. You can also check out desktop. In desktop also you will see desktop is showing more processes running. So just 39 tasks. Normally if you see any other desktop of Linux, normally there are more than 50 tasks running, 50 or 60 tasks running. Here only 39 tasks are running. Load average is also, you see, 0.1, 0.4, 0.04. So load average is also far much lesser than any other Linux desktop. 150 K threads are running. 6 threads are running. So even threads also, everything is down compared to desktops like Gnome or KDE, even XFCE also. That's why you see it is very responsive and very light desktop. You can use it on your 10-year, 15-year-old systems also, it will work. And what else is there? Let us try out the control center. Anything removed from the control center? No. The control center is complete. Everything, all features of the control center are available. You can see here. Even wallpapers. Let us check out the wallpapers. Anything else is there? No, all the standard wallpapers are there. So all wallpapers are available. Okay. Why it is unresponsive? Suddenly the desktop has become little unresponsive. Yes. So everything is as it is. There is not much things discarded. Only they have controlled what is running in the memory. So the number of processes that are running in memory, they have reduced it, and they have made this desktop more responsive and more minimal. And you can see here, you don't see the network manager here. Network manager volume control is also absent here on the panel, right side of the panel. You can see here CPU load, it is showing 0.07%. So that's great, 0.001%. Swap is also completely free. CPU frequency also, it is working at very minimal CPU frequency. And the Ethernet interface is it is showing. So there is no manager here. Ethernet or the Wi-Fi manager is not available here. Volume control is also not available here. So for volume control, you will have to either use the hotkeys, or you will have to add the volume control here, simple volume control, and the network manager here. Otherwise, they have made it very minimal. So that's it for the minimal IceWM session. You can install on your system, enjoy it. Especially if your system is very old, you can always go for this minimal IceWM session. It's very neat looking desktop. Nothing extra additional is there. Only the basic required applications are running in the system. There are minimal startup applications here. So they have controlled the startup. They have kept the minimum processes running in the system while it is on idle. And they have reduced some of the startup applications like this network manager. So network manager, only if you configure it, it will be there. It will just, you can see nothing is there on the panel. It will be running in the background, but nothing on the panel here. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.